Hello friends, first of all I would like to introduce myself. My name is Raj Nandini. I read in class 8. I want to say something about what importance of water. Water is essential fluid for all living organisms. Without water we can't survive, we also know. Our home just like earth uh, our home just like earth nearly third-fourth water is covered, but only 1% water only 1% water we use for drinking purpose. In our daily life we use many purpose for water, like washing clothes and cooking food, etc. We also know we can't survive without survive we also know we can't survive. We also know without survive we can't survive with water. When we cutting down the trees.
Okay, you only focus on your speech. Don't look here.
When we cutting down the trees, water not goes on underground. So we planted more and more trees and we save water. So water is very useful for us. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. You have to prepare for your question also.
Yes.
Raise your hand. You need to ask question. Ask question. Okay, ask question. How can we preserve water? How can we preserve water?
When we planted more and more trees, we preserve water.
Okay, why it is necessary to preserve water?
Because in future we can't survive with water. So water is very essential for organisms.
What are some steps you personally take to conserve water?
Sir, I don't understand. Please.
What are some steps that you personally take? What are some steps you personally take to conserve water? What are the things that you do to conserve water?
Water harvesting.
What are the things you personally do? What are the things you personally do to conserve water? Make her understand this question in your language. You are understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Make her understand.
What are the steps? Means, what can you do for conserving water? Conservation of water.
Personally, you.
Yes. I planted more and more trees, and I very little amount of water. Using for washing clothes and washing clothes and washing cycles and etc. So, so I conserve this
How
material
water is valuable for us?
because we 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 don't drink water, we can't survive.
But look here. Okay, any other question?
Sir,
Yes, ask.
nowadays, why is depletion of water increase?
Uh, please, one.
Pardon. Let's ask. Repeat the question.
Nowadays, why is depletion of water increase?
Depletion. Depletion.
It means a scarcity of water.
Because we don't planting more and more trees. So water is
Decreasing.
yes sir.
Okay, sit down. Yes.
And conserve it.
You want to ask? Any other students want to ask anything?